Hey, what's up? It's been a while since we've tested dashcams on our channel Tech Brothers, but today I have an interesting device. This is Thinkware F790. This dashcam has Full HD front and rear cameras, Super Night Vision 3.0 technology, HDR technology, Wi-Fi and mobile app support, built-in GPS as well as advanced driver assistance systems. By the way, there are different accessories available for this dashcam, for example external battery, CPL filter, multiplexer box, and hard-wiring cable. I will leave the links to the official website and Amazon in description under the video. Okay, let's start the review with unboxing. So on the box we can see the dashcam with front camera and rear camera. There are also main features on the side of the box. I have already told you about some of them, such as Super Night Vision, Advanced Driver Assistance System, Safety Camera Alert, but it also has a time-lapse recording and integrated thermal protection. When you open the box, first you will find a dashcam. We will take a closer look at it a little later. Then there's a 12-watt power cable, a rear camera connection cable, 16 gigs MicroSD memory card, and user manual. That's very good that the hard-wiring cable is included, but there is no car charger cable in the package. I will need to connect the dashcam to the car battery. It is not as easy as connected to the cigarette lighter. Talking about design of Thinkware F790 dashcam, first I have noticed the unlock switch. It means that you can detach a dashcam from the cradle mount. It is quite difficult to do, especially when the cradle mount is installed on the windshield, but it is good because it provides a tight fit to minimize vibrations while driving. By the way, the cradle mount looks like this from the inside. You can see that my dashcam was manufactured in March 2022. By the way, I have tried to connect USB Type-C power cable to the dashcam, but it still wouldn't turn on. It looks like the dashcam only works with this mount. On the back of the dashcam, we can see a speaker, Wi-Fi and status LED indicators, as well as control buttons such as format, Wi-Fi, microphone, recording and power. A microphone hole and reset button are on the right side. On the other side, there is a memory card slot. On the front of the dashcam, there is a security LED, adhesive mount and front camera lens. By the way, a front camera is rotatable, so you can install it on the windshield and then adjust the viewing angle. Talking about rear camera, it is also rotatable. It has an LED indicator, adhesive type, and power connector. Later we will talk about installation and connection of the dashcam and rear camera. Finally, I want to tell you the dimensions of the dashcam. It is 95 by 75 by 30 mm. The weight of the dashcam is 130 grams. As for the rear camera, it is only 62 by 33 by 28 mm. The weight is 26 grams. Okay, now we can go to my car and install the dashcam. By the way, there's a very useful connecting diagram in the user manual. From this diagram, I have a dashcam, rear camera, hard-wiring cable, and rear camera cable. Unfortunately, I don't have a car charger cable. However, a hard-wiring cable is required for a parking mode. So we have installed a dashcam on the windshield and the rear camera next to the rear license plate. Thinkware F790 doesn't have a screen, but we can see the live video from the app on smartphone. The app is called Thinkware Dashcam Link. As already said, in the app you can press on the live video button and watch the video from the front and rear cameras. Then there is a file list, dashcam settings, dashcam info, and connection settings. In the file list, there are continuous videos, continuous accident, motion detection, parking accident, and some others. All the videos are stored on the memory card, but you can download them on smartphone. You can also go to the dashcam settings. There are memory card settings, camera settings, record settings, road safety settings, and system settings. In the memory card settings, you can select a memory partition, format memory card, and choose options to override videos. The camera settings include front camera brightness, channel settings, rear camera brightness, and video out. The dashcam settings have the sensitivity of continuous mode accident recording, Super Night Vision 3.0, HDR, privacy recording, parking mode, impact sensitivity in parking mode, motion detection sensitivity, off timer, battery protection, and the voltage of your car battery. As already said, the new dashcam from Thinkware has some road safety systems, such as lane departure warning, lane departure speed, front collision warning, and front vehicle warning. In the system settings, you can change the language, volume on-off, the number of safety cameras, and some other options. So the application of Thinkware F790 dashcam is very useful. Now we can watch some videos on the front and rear cameras during the day and at night. By the way, I have told you that the Thinkware F790 supports HDR. This technology is supposed to enhance contrast and improve clarity. Do you think the video with HDR is better than without HDR? Write in the comments below. There's also a super night vision mode on the new Thinkware dashcam. Let's compare the video with the night vision on and off. By the way, when I was testing the dashcam, the street lights were turned off. It was completely dark outside. I think because of this, the video quality at night is not as good as it could be in the more central streets of the city, whereas the street lighting is good. Thinkware F790 is a good dual dashcam with a real Full HD front and rear cameras, as well as many smart features such as built-in GPS, parking mode, road safety warning systems, etc. Although the dashcam doesn't have a screen, there are many different functions and settings available in the mobile app. By the way, if you don't think Full HD resolution is enough for you, you can choose 2K or even 4K dashcams. I will leave the links to official website and Amazon in description under the video. Thank you for watching, see you soon!